So there are many categories of students these days. स्टूडेंट्स तो क्या, अगर मैं ह्यूमैनिटी की भी बात करूँ तो देयर आर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल हियर एंड बेसिकली वी कैन डिवाइड इनटू थ्री पार्ट्स. पहले वो द वंस हु डोंट नो वेयर दे आर गोइंग एंड व्हाई दे आर गोइंग. कुछ कर तो रहे हैं, ऑटोमोड पे ज़िंदगी लगी हुई है एंड दे लिविंग देयर लाइव्स बट दे डू नॉट नो व्हाट इज़ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ देयर लाइफ, वेयर डू दे हैव टू गो. एफर्ट बहुत कर रहे हैं जी, रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा. किस चीज़ का? डू यू इवन नो व्हाट रिजल्ट्स डू यू वांट? And the second category is who knows what is the goal of their life. Like they have goals, they have personal goals, they have social goals, they have family goals, they have health goals, they have time management goals. Like goals can be any, whatever you want to achieve. And but they don't know how to. उनके पास उसको प्लान कैसे करना है, उसको आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करना है, एंड हाउ टू अचीव दैम. दे डोंट नो द path. They don't have the skills, they don't have the tools. That is the second category. And then there's the third category who knows this is my goal, this is the skills I need, this is my plan, and this is the way I have to achieve my goal. But surprisingly they're not able to achieve it because बहुत सारी चीज़ें बीच में आ जाती हैं. They can be like they lack time management skills, they procrastinate, maybe they don't have effective communication, maybe they are not assertive enough. There are so many time wasters, so many distractions that जो आपका focus है वो हट जाता है आपके goal की तरफ से, and आप उसे the more you are away from your goal, there are so many activities which take you away from your goal rather than towards your goal. फिर उसके बाद आता है guilt, anger, frustration. Then you give up, and what do? You change your goal. You don't change your path, you don't change your skills, you don't change your method, you change your goal. So if you think you're one of those or your child is one of those, and how to get out of it, connect.